Richard Mille has always been known for innovative designs and high-performance timepieces. It gained immense popularity among collectors for its limited edition models and collaborations. While the popularity of Richard Mille watches has varied over time, here are some of the most sought-after Richard Mille watches today. Number 1. Richard Mille RM011 Felipe Massa. This watch was created in collaboration with Formula One driver Felipe Massa. It features a distinctive tonneau-shaped case, a skeletonized dial, and a chronograph function. A relationship between the Richard Mille creator and Felipe Massa, a young Brazilian Formula One race car driver, is how the RM011 was constructed. The RM006 tourbillon with carbon nanofiber movement baseplate and the RM005 were prominently worn by Felipe Massa during Formula One races. Massa helped with real-world tests of the watch's ability to resist shock and G-forces. The RM011 Felipe Massa flyback chronograph made its appearance in 2007 and was instantly recognized as an important part of the Richard Mille collection. With only 50 pieces made to celebrate the first Formula One Grand Prix held in Singapore, this model's hour numerals were transfer printed in alternating red and white, and the carbon fiber dial flange and crown detail were in red, an allusion to the colors of the Singapore flag. The bezel and caseback were in black treated titanium and further engraved on the caseback Felipe Massa's first Singapore Grand Prix. The dial was skeletonized, revealing the intricate inner workings of the watch. The skeleton design showcased the movement, including the chronograph functions, visible gears, and other components, with vibrant accents like red or yellow, adding a sporty touch to the overall aesthetics. Its self-winding mechanical movement, known for its precision and performance. The movement typically has a flyback chronograph, giving quick consecutive timing. The special edition is paired with a comfortable and durable rubber strap, giving a sporty and contemporary look. This model is very limited and highly sought after due to its exclusivity and historical significance. Demanding a retail price of $289,000, and the market value is $459,000, a huge $170,000 return on your investment. Number 2. The Richard Mille RM035. This model is renowned for its ultra-lightweight construction and minimalist design. It is crafted from a combination of titanium and carbon composite materials. The design features Richard Mille's signature tonneau-shaped case, which is known for its ergonomic design and distinctive presence. The case is made from lightweight and robust materials like titanium or carbon composite. The dimensions of the case are 48mm and 39.70mm. The RM035 is equipped with a manual winding mechanical movement, designed and developed in-house by Richard Mille. The movement is meticulously crafted to ensure exceptional precision, durability, and performance. It often incorporates advanced features like a free-sprung balance wheel, variable inertia balance, and a fast-rotating barrel for improved power reserve. Usually the dial is skeletonized, revealing the intricate inner workings of the watch. The skeletonized design showcases the movement, including the balance wheel, gears, and other components. The dial has minimalistic hour markers or indices, along with luminescent accents in low-light conditions. The RM035 is paired with a comfortable and brilliant rubber strap, which complements the sporty and luxury aesthetics of the watch. The strap is integrated into the case design and shows a secure buckle clasp for easy wearing. One of the main defining characteristics of the RM035 is its emphasis on lightweight construction. Richard Mille employs innovative materials and techniques to reduce the weight of the watch without compromising its strength or durability. This lightweight construction makes the RM035 comfortable to wear for extended periods. The RM035 has been released in limited editions, which add to its exclusivity and desirability, may feature unique case materials, dial designs, or color accents, making each piece distinctive. It's been difficult for collectors to find these timepieces. They are highly sought after with only 50 pieces made. Exacting a retail price of $289,000, which has increased in the secondary market to $549,000, a hefty $260,000 return on investment. Number 3. Richard Mille RM027 Rafael Nadal. Developed in partnership with tennis champion Rafael Nadal, this watch is extremely lightweight and shock-resistant. It features a tourbillon movement and a case made from carbon nanotubes. This sophisticated timepiece stands out for its robust construction, the tonneau-shaped case made from a high-tech material called carbon TPT. This carbon is known for its amazing strength and lightness, making it ideal for sports watches. The case dimensions are 38.7mm and 47.52mm. It is powered by a manual winding mechanical movement specifically developed for this model. It is constructed to withstand extreme shocks and vibrations, even a pilot's G-force. Ensuring reliability even during intense athletic activities, it is often equipped with features such as tourbillon, power reserve indicator, and hours and minutes functions. When you look at the caseback of the RM027, Rafael Nadal is typically transparent, allowing a view of the intricate movement inside. The movement is held brilliantly in place by a system of cables and pulleys, providing enhanced shock resistance. The lightweight of this watch is one of the key highlights. The use of dazzling materials like carbon and dismissing the traditional heavy components create its lightweight design. The RM027 weighs in at less than 20 grams, thus becoming the lightest watch ever produced at this time. It is even structured by the inspiration of chassis of racing cars. It enhances rigidity and resistance to impact when used in watchmaking. Rafael Nadal wore this watch while winning the Monaco Open, with components placed in the case like a Ferrari and giving it a brilliant luxurious look and feel. This brand watch is dedicated to pushing boundaries of watchmaking and performance. Its remarkable lightweight construction, combined with its resilience and technical sophistication, makes it a coveted timepiece among watch enthusiasts and sports enthusiasts alike. With an auction starting price at $600,000, this historical tourbillon can be found for $1,380,000, another treasure hunt for collectors to seek. Number 4. Richard Mille RM5602 Sapphire. This watch is known for its exceptional transparency and complex construction. The tripartite case is milled and ground from solid blocks of sapphire by the prestigious and specialized expert Stettler in LYSS, Switzerland, who created the movement of the parts and the unique ergonomically curving tripartite Richard Mille case. Both the case middle and back are entirely sapphire crystal. Sapphire crystal is an extremely hard and scratch-resistant material known to rose for its transparency and durability. It takes 40 days, 24 hours of continuous machining in order to produce one case, including 400 hours of machining for different movement bridges. The watch is equipped with a manual winding mechanical movement, often featuring a tourbillon complication. The movement is meticulously crafted and finished to high standards, showcasing Richard Mille's technical expertise. The intricate mechanics are visible through the transparent case, allowing for a captivating view of the movement in action. Taking a few cues from the mechanical architecture of the Rafael Nadal 27-01 and its cable suspended movement. The tension of the cable is controlled by a miniature ratchet at 9 o'clock. This entire cable unit is attached to a separate indicator located below 12 o'clock, allowing an easy visual inspection of the cable tension to ensure that it is always operating within the designated norms. The new design of winding barrel bridge, tourbillon, and center bridges in sapphire gives them a lightweight and more diverse look. The dial of the RM5602 Sapphire is typically skeletonized, providing an unobstructed view of the movement and its various components. The transparent dial allows the wearer to admire the complex details, including the gears, balance wheel, and tourbillon cage. The RM5602 also incorporates sapphire crystal for other elements such as the crystal over the dial and the crown. This transparent crystal construction contributes to the overall transparency and aesthetic appeal of the watch. The watch has the signature Richard Mille strap made from rubber and other creative material. It has a durable and comfortable feel. Richard Mille designed the strap to complement the overall artistic look of the watch and ensure a secure, comfortable fit on the wrist. The Richard Mille RM5602 Sapphire showcases the brand's technical mastery and innovative use of materials. Its transparent construction, paired with the intricate movement and high-end finishes, creates a visually striking and sophisticated timepiece. This Sapphire 56-02 is limited to only 10 pieces made and takes nearly 2 years to produce, making the price of this watch $2,200,000 and has been seen for sale prices up to $4,400,000. Number 5. Richard Mille 50-03 McLaren F1. Created in collaboration with McLaren, this watch incorporates cutting-edge materials like graphite and carbon. It features a split-seconds chronograph, tourbillon, and is renowned for its lightweight construction. It features a tonneau-shaped case, typically made from innovative materials like graphite and carbon. These materials are infamous for their strength, durability, and lightweight properties. 44.5mm and 49.65mm is the dimension of the case. With a weight of 40 grams, it was also the lightest mechanical chronograph ever made on its release. Being produced with graphene, a revolutionary nanomaterial that is 6 times lighter and 200 times stronger than steel. The 7-gram movement has a secret to its featherweight design. It resides in the use of titanium and carbon. The density, rigidity, and low thermal conductivity of titanium make it a material of choice in McLaren racing Formula One engineering. The RM50-03 is powered by a manual winding mechanical movement, meticulously developed by Richard Mille. The movement is crafted with high precision, incorporating advanced features such as a split-seconds chronograph, a tourbillon, and a power reserve indicator. The movement is constructed to withstand extreme conditions and provide exceptional accuracy. When it comes to the dial, the skeletonized design brings a sense of brilliance to the watch, revealing the complex mechanics and components of the movement. The skeletonized design allows for captivating view of the chronograph functions, tourbillon, and other visible elements. The dial may feature luminescent accents for enhanced legibility. The strap is designed to withstand the demands of sports and racing activities while providing a secure and comfortable fit on the wrist. There is a strong emphasis on lightweight construction with the 50-03 McLaren. The use of sophisticated materials like graphite and carbon, along with meticulous engineering, helps reduce the weight of the watch while maintaining its durability and performance. The RM50-03 is certainly rare and limited, adding to its exclusivity and desirability among collectors. The specific number of 50-03 McLarens is only 75 worldwide. The price of this rare timepiece can be bought for $1 million. The advanced watchmaking technology and motorsport engineering is cutting-edge and highly sought after. Number 6. Richard Mille RM56-01 Tourbillon Sapphire. Similar to the RM56-02, this model is also constructed entirely from sapphire crystal. It showcases highly complex and visually striking tourbillon movement. This watch caused a shockwave in the watchmaking world with its pared-down purity, its movement with exemplary finishing, and its case made entirely of sapphire crystal. Its 3-part case is inspired by the RM056. The front bezel, case band, and back bezel machined and ground from a solid block of sapphire crystal. This watch also takes 40 days and 24 hours a day to produce one. This case sits perfectly on the wrist and is water resistant up to 100 feet deep. Its strap carries the concept of transparency to its apogee, and the collaboration between BW and Richard Mille has made it possible to develop aerospace nano. It employs nanotechnology to obtain unequaled transparency and strength. Nano reinforcement in this material has never been used in watchmaking before. It holds waterproof properties and elastic, which makes it silky to the touch and super comfortable. Similar to a car's gearbox, a push button located at the center of the crown allows one to select the winding, neutral and hand setting functions with a simple push. The movement has hand-polished beveling and polished locking sections. The milled sections are micro-blasted. There is 28 jewels set in this brilliant timepiece with stone setting white gold, with the case being completely sapphire crystal. It takes 1,000 hours to make. Being there is also other parts that are made from the sapphire. The mechanical dance that powers this stunning RM piece boasts a cable mechanism that hasn't been replicated by any other watchmaker in history. The pulley system originally pioneered on the RM027-01 Nadal watch. The cable-powered movement makes it a true Richard Mille novelty. Apart from the technicalities, this is also an extravagant piece of luxury sportswear that's beautiful but sturdy. The case makes it strong enough to take a hit and absorb all the shock during activity. This timeless piece of art is limited to only 5 in production, making them hard to find for collectors, and it demands a price of $2 million all the way to $6 million for the brown sapphire. An astonishing piece of technology that marks history in Richard Mille. This will conclude the most sought after Richard Mille watches. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.